Hi guys, sorry about that. That nasty little squirrel that we just saw just stole my phone and has thrown it on the other side. So now we have to go and fetch that later. So for now we are continuing on Monica's phone. So we'll continue our journey. Right Monica, I'm going to follow you.
Okay, direct me, camera lady.
Right Monica, where are we going?
You're meant to be directing me.
I don't know, where are we going?
I'm going to go here.
There's something green.
Something's green. Why is it green? What's
don't know.
green?
I don't know, go closer. What's it feel like?
It feels soft when it shouldn't be soft. It's scaly. It's the scales.
It's scaly.
It's scaly.
Monica, it's a crocodile.
No! Don't worry. I've handled crocodiles before when I was in Australia.
So what are we going to do?
I'm going to grab it by its neck and its tail. I'm going to shake it and throw it into its wild.
Go on then, quick. That's gone. It's gone.
It's gone, but my glasses, my funky glasses, sunglasses, which are your funky sunglasses, are going back on my face. Because I'm that cool. That crocodile alligator did not stand a chance against me.
You beat that crocodile.
1-0 to me. 1-0 to me. If there's a competition now, guys and girls, I kick ass a crocodile handling.
Yes, you do.
I do need to work on my muscles, though.
Well, that was one way of working them out.
Don't mess with me. I'll sort you out. Anyways, as you can hear, we're still in the nature. We are very loud, and we've drawn the attention of. What is that?
That is a polar bear playing the guitar.
Why is it playing the guitar?
I have no idea. That is so strange.
I can barely see you there, Chloe.
No, you need the light.
I need the light.
Hi guys. I don't know why this polar bear is sitting on a guitar with a plectrum. Maybe it just wants to sing songs. Maybe it's bored. Who knows? Anyway, let's carry on. I don't know where else we can go. Maybe we should look on the floor.
Maybe look on the floor? Are we going to look on the floor? Are we actually going to crawl on the floor?
We're crawling on the floor, Monica.
When was the last time this floor was cleaned?
Well, I don't know. It's the wildlife. Who knows?
That was a good deflect. Good deflect.
Who knows? Who cleans the wildlife, Monica?
Yeah, who cleans the wildlife? This is why I wear socks in the wilderness. One should never be cautious about the floor.
Monica, look.
Okay, that's a D.
It's a giraffe.
Why is there a giraffe underneath?
I have no idea. Do you reckon it's alive?
I think it is.
Yep,
Yep, that's alive. Why are you down there, giraffe?
What are you doing?
Why aren't you telling us what you're doing here? What is your purpose?
It's not very talkative, is it?
It's just staring us out.
I think it wants to eat us.
I think it wants to eat you. I can run faster than you, so...
Thanks.
So I'll throw you under the bus. Not bus, the giraffe.
You're going to throw me under the bus, giraffe.
You saw me with the crocodile.
Yes, I did. I don't want to mess with you.
Yeah, don't mess with me.
No.
I feel like this is coming towards the end of our nature tour.
I think it is.
I think it is.
Can you turn your camera
I don't know
around?
how to turn my camera around. This is one of those situations where,
oh God, my knees. Getting too old to crawl on my knees now.
is this what I'm going to have to look forward to in 6 months' time when I reach your age?
Ha 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 ha.
Okay, I'm going to try and do things. I think this is going to take a photo by accident. Yep, taking photos.
Right, well, let's turn it
How do
around.
I do this?
Just turn it round.
Okay, hopefully you can see our faces because I'm not very good at cameras.
No, she's not.
But yeah, this is kind of a proven fact.
We hope you like our nature video.
Bye!
Bye guys!
Bye 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 bye! Go to the alien, go to the alien, go to the alien.